A typical tool string will normally consist of 4 or 5 roller subs, placed strategically throughout the string. The orientation of the wheels ensures that at least one wheel is in perfect alignment to the casing at all times. Each roller wheel is equipped with both roller and thrust bearings to ensure maximum friction reduction is achieved. Successful deployments in high deviation wells of up to 84 degrees have previously been achieved. The utilization of knuckle joints can provide increased flexibility for challenging high deviation environments.